start this session. Everybody take out your copy and book.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and put on your camera.
Yes, sir. After 2 minutes, sir, I'm on.
Page 181. Page 181, sum number 8. This is like this. This is a ramp, straight line.
So question number 8.
Yes. And a box is there. This will be the weight of this.
Sir, এখানে বলেছে ফার্স্টে বলেছে ডায়াগ্রাম করতে হবে to show the forces acting on the box.
Yes, yes. The different forces. That means frictional force will apply just opposite to it. The ramp is sliding down. Okay. And this is the frictional force. Mu into R. F is equal to mu R, frictional force. Okay. And
Okay, sir.
this is the force due to its weight, mg. Let this angle be theta. And this angle will also be theta. Mg cos theta. And this side will be mg sin theta.
Sin theta, sir.
This
Sir,
angle
এটা
will
cos theta এটা sin theta তো স্যার?
yes, yes. Mg cos theta, mg sin theta. That means weight of the box. So what are the different type of forces applying on it? Frictional force, and mg sin theta is the gravitational force. So mg sin theta is more. That's why it is sliding down. And then after, and what is R? R is equivalent to the normal reactions. That means here mg cos theta. R is equivalent to the normal reactions. Here the normal reaction is mg cos theta. Okay. And mu is the value of given mu. How much value of given mu? 0.03. 0.03. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the diagram done. Box is traveling at a speed 2 meter per second. That means V is 2 meter per second.
Second.
When it reaches the bottom of the ramp, find the length of the ramp. How long it's travel for? The ramp raises 10 centimeter for every
Sir,
80
এখানে
centimeter
আছে?
long. Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
for every 80 centimeter long. That means if it is 80 centimeter and this is how much? This length is 10 centimeter. Understood? That means
Yes, sir.
what will be the theta? Theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. That means what will be the sin theta?
Hypotenuse to perpendicular, sir.
Perpendicular is 10 and hypotenuse is given 80. That
80.
means 1 by 8. Okay. 1 by 8.
স্যার 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 ওটাকে কি আবার ডিভিশন করতে হবে না এমনি ওটা
Yes,
ওটাই
yes.
आंसर
No, sin theta value is 1 by 8. So theta will be sin inverse 1 by 8. Now, as like we are saying that sin 30 degrees is equal to half. So theta is
Yes,
equal
sir.
to we write sin inverse half. Sin inverse half means 0.5 like this. See, this is inverse function. Okay. So sine inverse, if you write 0.5, you will get 30.5 sine inverse. Got 30? Understood?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
that's
sir.
the same way, 1/8. 1 divided by 8. How much? This value, inverse function, and sine inverse. So how much the theta is?
7.10.
7.18.
7.18.
Yes, 7.18. So theta is 7.18 degrees. That we found. So theta value will be 7.18 degrees. Okay. Now find the length of the ramp. You need to find the length of that ramp when it takes how much? 2 seconds. 2 meter per seconds. Now the question is, draw the diagram complete. When it reaches the bottom of the ramp, that also okay, and find the length of the ramp. The box is traveling at a speed of this much, that means 2 meter. The speed of the box is how much? 2 meter per second. 2 meter per second means in 1 second it came down 2 meter. In 1 second it's came down 2 meter. Is it? So when it
Yes, sir.
reaches to the bottom of the ramp, but here no hints is given. The ramp raises 10 centimeter for every sloping. A box's mass 50 kg. Here one thing is given, that is the value of mg. That means mass is given 50 kg. Mg value is how much? Mg value
50
is
kg.
50.
50 kg, sir.
Okay. $50. Actually, mass is 50. Mg means mass into this. That means
50.
500 Newton. Mg is 500 Newton. So now they are asking, starting from the rest, coefficient of friction is that no other resistive force act. No other resistive force is acting on it. Then the length of if it is acting on a force, we know that F is equal to m into a mass into accelerations, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. And also we know one formula that V is equal to U plus A into T. A means here acceleration. So final velocity is 2 meter per second. Initial velocity was 0. Accelerations we don't know. And how much time it took? That also we not given. So S, one formula we also have this one, ut plus half a t square. Here also the time you don't know, but you know u was 0 means initial position, a was unknown. A means definitely it was gravitational accelerations. No, the ball, this box is coming down through this slope under the force of mg sine theta. Mg cos theta is neutralized by this normal reaction force, but mg sine theta is only the force. So the amount of force you will get, what is the amount of force? Let me apply here. Let me delete this portion. So amount of force we will write is mg sine theta minus mu into r. Mu into r. R means mg cos theta. Okay, this is the actual force. Mg sin theta minus mu r and is equal
Yes,
to
sir.
m into a. So you will get the acceleration. So theta value to we already got 7.18. So now you find mg is 500. Now you find what is mg sin theta. So 500 into the sin theta of this. That means 7.18. 7.18. The value of sine. How much? Suppose as like sine, will say sine 30 degrees. So we'll get the value 30 degree. This the same way we will write 7.18. The value of sine is 0.1249, or you can take 0.125. Okay, so 0.125 minus mu value is given 0.03 and mg is 500 and cos theta. Cos value how much? Cos 7.18. Cos value is 0.99. Okay, 0.992. This one is equal to mass into acceleration a. Now you find out this one, this value, how much? 500 into 0.125, 125 into 500, that is 62.5 minus 500 into 0.992 into 0.03 is equal to how much? 14.88. Okay, 62.5 minus 14.88, 47.62 is equal to 50 into a, is equal to 50 into a. So the a value will get 47.62 divided by 50. Okay, that means 0.95, 0.95 meter per second square. This is the value of acceleration we got. So if the value of acceleration is this much, that means we will get that the time we will length also we will get by using this formula. V square is equal to u square plus 2as. Okay, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. U1 means 0 and 2as is equal to v square. V is also 2. 2 square means 4. That's 2 into a into s. Cut with 2 this 4, 2. That means as equal to 2. So a is equal to 2 by this 0.95. So the distance, that means length of the plank, you will get this. So length of the plank is how much? 2 by 0.95. Length of the plank is this much meter, 2.105. 0.105 meter. Okay, length of the plank we got how much? 2.105 meter. And length of the ramp. Find the loss in potential energy of the box. So mgh loss of potential energy, how much we will get? Here we'll write mgh, mg means 500 already you know, and h was how
Yes, sir.
much? Yes, length of the plank was this much. How much? S 2.105. So to length of the plank, already we know that length of the plank and the height ratio is 8 by 1 by 8. So height, let the height is 10, then the length of the plank is 80, and now the length of the plank is 2.105 and let the height is x. Okay,
স্যার এত
so
বড় অঙ্ক
yes, so 8x is equal to 2.105. So x equal to will get 2.105 divided by 8. So what the answer we will get of this? So that means the height we are measuring in meter, in centimeter. That the answer we will get in centimeter, no? So 2 meter, that means 1 meter means 100 centimeter. So 2 meter, that means 200. That means then centimeter, the answer will be multiplied by 100. So 0.5 divided by 8. So instead of height, we will write here 0.5 divided by 8. So now you use calculator again. 0.5 divided by 8. This much into 500 into mg. This much centimeter. How much centimeter we got? This. That means in meter, how much we will get? 500 into, in centimeter, the value is 26.3. That means 0.26. 0.26. So
Yes, sir.
0.26 into 500 into 500.
I want.
This much. That means 130 joule is the
Yes, sir.
loss of energy. See the answer. Match your answer. Hope your answer is given in
1
the
minute.
book. Match it
1 minute.
going স্যার
and hold the things. You take the screenshot.
1 minute.
স্যার এক্সারসাইজ কত ছিল স্যার
Exercise 8C, page number 181.
না ওটা বলছি না স্যার 8C কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 8 স্যার অ্যানসার আছে স্যার এ আছে অ্যানসার হচ্ছে 5
What they are
স্যার
asking of?
বি আছে স্যার বি আছে স্যার 2.10 মিটার
2.10. Yes, 2.105. That we got answer. Look at here.
यस স্যার আর
Okay.
স্যার সি আছে স্যার সি আছে স্যার 131 জুল
130 joules. Okay. They got
স্যার আপনি
130.
আমাকে অ্যাবসেন্ট করে দিয়েছেন তো আজকে
Who? Arman.
আরমা ইয়েস স্যার
Okay, I'll make you present. No problem.
ওকে স্যার
স্যার 131 আছে স্যার আপনি 130 লিখেছেন
Actually, we have taken some of the figure more. They have taken some of the figure more of it. So we have taken only point after 26. If I'll take another 1 digit, then it will be increased by 1.
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা ওকে স্যার
স্যার বোথ আর কারেক্ট রাইট স্যার
I have taken up to the 2 digit. You will take up to the 2 or 3 decimal points. Okay. Okay. By this, we are going to end our class today.
Yes, sir.
ওকে স্যার
No, you have still, your class is up to 12:20. No, you still have
No.
10
some
minutes.
10
Yes,
10
minutes.
minutes.
Yeah.
10 স্যার
So you do one another sum. Try question number
Okay,
7.
sir.
Try question number 7.
ওকে স্যার
Okay. Do it.